All right. It's Referrral, and I'm back. So again, we're going to show you another way that we make the money here on crypto each and every day. So you guys, I always show you guys free ways to make crypto, make money online. No money down, no money monthly, no money having to spend at all. No referrals required. Very easy to do. Very easy to do. I've been showing you guys this website for years now, Cointiply. Great website. I love it. There's so many ways you can earn money. I'm going to show you guys again. Now, there is a spring update, so I want you guys to see this. And I just want you guys to see that you can enjoy a 30% bonus on all offers and surveys until March 31st. Today is March 24th. And it tells you can get free entries and to win up to $100 in coins. And every 100 coins that you earn will get you one additional entry. So there's 10 random prizes for 1 million coins. There's 50 random draws for 100,000 coins, and then 100 random draws for 10,000 coins. Right now I've got 185 entries, so I've got my hat in the, I got my vote in the bag, whatever you want to call it. I'm in the running to get some of the free coins. So you guys, if you join this website with the link below, all you need is an email address to get started. No money, no referrals, nothing like that. Start making money right here on the website, doing what I do, as I showed you before. Plus you get free entries into the raffle, and you might earn some free bonus coins there. All right, and as I've shown you before, these coins, they translate to US dollar value, and then you get paid out in Bitcoin. So you're literally earning Bitcoin as you're using this free site. Okay, and we all know Bitcoin is #1 crypto in the world for several years now, and it's going to be the crypto in the world forever. So let's go ahead and get that money. Now, I'm showing you different ways to earn the money. When you come to the website, you're going to log in, get registered with your email address, and first thing you're going to do is go to the dashboard right here, and you jump on the Get Started Guide. It's going to tell you exactly, how to get started, the best ways to start earning, and you can do that by clicking from the tip. You can complete surveys, you can watch videos, you can view point-to-click ads, you can play games, and you can refer users. Now, you don't have to refer anybody, but if you do, you can earn up to 25% of their earnings. Each time they come and make money off the website, you make money off of them as well, okay? If you decide to do that. What I do mostly, I told you before, I do the claim faucet, I watch videos, and let me check the faucet real quick. I got 19 more minutes before it's ready for me to do my next roll. The faucet usually can roll a new faucet every hour. Depending on your region, it might be a little bit different time frame. But for me, here in the US, I do it every hour. Now, you don't have to do it every hour, but the cool thing is, as long as you come to the website and you roll that faucet at least once a day, it's going to keep track of how often you've been on the website and how often you've been actually rolling the faucet, right? And you get a loyalty bonus that matches your actual spin or your roll, whatever, right? So the first day you're going to get a 1% bonus. The second day you come back consecutively, you get a 2% bonus. Third day, 3% bonus. So each day that you are in the website, you're going to earn a percentage bonus that's going to match what your roll is for that day or that particular roll. And each day that you consecutively come back, that match amount will increase by 1% every day until you've been on the site for 100 days like I have, and you're consistently earning 100% match bonus. And it looks just like this. When you roll the coins, it's going to tell you how many coins you earn. You'll immediately get a royalty bonus of that same amount of what you've earned. Okay, very easy to do. I've shown you guys videos before how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to doing a cash out real quick. I've been watching videos, and it's a very easy way to get paid because you just turn the videos on, let them run while you're in sleep or while you're at work, while you're doing other things. The video runs in the background, you're getting paid. All right, so my favorite one to use is Hideout. As you can see, it's available in these countries. You don't want to use a VPN because you will get banned. You can also use Loot TV. I've done both of these. They're both great. They both pay out instantly, and you can pay them out to this website here. You get all your earnings from the videos. You can pay out in coins here back to the Cointiply, or you can go ahead and get paid out to websites as well. But real quick, let's jump over and let's check out the usage here on the videos. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible so you guys can go ahead and click the link below to get started, and you start earning your free money as well. All right, so right now I've earned 2,505 points. from watching these videos on the Hideout platform. As it loads up here, you can see there is some rewards that you can earn here as well. I do recommend clicking on this rewards here every day, and you can go reward bonus of points here right here on the video website. Again, the video website is only going to require you to have an email address to register for this free service. I recommend using the same email address that you use for Cointiply. Use that here on the video website as well. And then as you're watching the videos run in the background, you will earn these points here, and you can cash this out as we're getting ready to do right now. So let's go ahead and let's redeem those points. All right, so you'll see here when you're on the redeem site, you can go ahead and you can redeem to the different websites here. So I prefer to redeem to Cointiply because that's, you know, as you can see, the top site that's paying out right now. But if you're using any of these other sites like Activity Paycheck, CoinSpiller, Random Satoshi, I've used some of these other sites as well. I personally think Cointiply is still the best, and but you can choose any of these sites. You can use these points from the video views. You can redeem them to these other websites if that's your decision. Whatever you want to do, you do you. I'm gonna do me. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna redeem these points here, and just click redeem process. You get to choose which partner company or website you want to go ahead and have your earnings sent to, so that you can maximize your earnings. So right now, these 2,592 hideout points from watching videos are going to earn me 14,688 coins over at Cointiply. Okay, so I'll go ahead and we'll cash that out right now. All right, earnings have been redeemed. And that pretty much tells you that your earnings can take up to 24 hours for them to hit the website of your choice, or the other partner website that you're selected. I've never seen it take longer than a few minutes, especially if you're going to Cointiply. It's pretty much instant. So let's go ahead and jump back over to Cointiply, and let's see exactly how that looks when the coins come through. So as you see, I've got 115,343 coins before redeeming the video points. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. And we can just simply do that by clicking here on the Cointiply banner. It's going to refresh, brings back to the main page, and you see there is the points added up there. Okay, I like to always go back to the faucet. The faucet will allow you to go ahead and see the activity right here. And as you see, I just completed the immediate offer of the 14,688 points I told you about, and as I mentioned, that 30% bonus that we talked about earlier, right here, the 30% right here. Look at there, my 30% bonus instantly. Okay, so the 14,000 coins that I earned from watching the videos, I got a bonus 4,000 coins on top of that. All right, so we'll go ahead and let's begin. So now I have these 134,000 coins, which equates to $13.47 US dollars, and they get paid out in Bitcoin. So we'll go ahead and a withdrawal of those coins. And the cool thing about this website is that you can earn money on top of money on top of money. Okay, so it's just more ways to earn free money and just keep doubling your money over and over again. Okay, so it tells you here you can earn a 5% interest on the balance over 35,000 coins. Of course, I have over 35,000 coins. So if you keep a balance of 35,000 coins or more, you'll earn 5% annual interest on your coin balance. Interest is calculated daily and paid weekly. So I always, whenever I do a withdrawal, I personally decide to keep 35,000 coins on the website, so I continue to earn this weekly payout of this interest right from the website, just for having coins here. Okay, but as you see, you can get paid out in Bitcoin, DOGE, DASH, or LTC. There is the minimum withdrawal is going to be 50,000 coins. All right, but there are no fees. No fees at all whatsoever for Bitcoin, DOGE, LTC, or DASH withdrawals. Okay, it does tell you the withdrawals can take 24-72 hours, and that has been consistently being paid out for years now. Matter of fact, let's go look at our payment history, and we'll show you that. As you scroll down here, I've been using the site for 3 years. Okay, 3 years I've been getting successful withdrawals from the Cointiply site, and it's just been rocking and rolling. The site's never been down. never had any issues at all with earning or getting paid out or site usage. It's just been working phenomenal, you know, for 3 years straight. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this withdrawal of the Bitcoins, and like I said, I do want to go ahead and keep that 35,000 on the website. So what I'll do is I'll say I got 134,731 coins. I'm going to keep 35,000 on the website, right? So I'm going to withdraw 99,731. All right, so I'm going to change this number to 99731. All right, I've already put in my Bitcoin wallet address. Matter of fact, I'm going to change this. I don't want them going to this address here. So let's go ahead and let's update that withdrawal address there. 1 second. All right, so I've gone ahead and updated my Bitcoin wallet address where I want the coins to be sent to. Just always want to just verify the first few digits and last few digits of the wallet address, and then we're going to go ahead and click on withdraw. We're going to pop up. It says, "Are you sure you want to withdraw the 99,731 coins from your account? Please double check withdrawal address before confirming." Here it is again. Verify the first few digits, last few digits there, and then warning: you will not receive interest if your balance falls below 35,000. That's why I kept it 35,000. We'll go ahead and we'll plug in the password here to the Cointiply website. All right, and then we'll go ahead and click on withdraw. It's just that simple. So we've gone ahead, we've initiated a withdrawal. It tells us that the withdrawal is started, and now let's wait just a few hours for it to go ahead and hit the Bitcoin wallet, and we are good to go. So I mean, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Next thing you're going to see is proof of that withdrawal hitting the Bitcoin wallet. I'll go ahead and show you that next, and then all you gotta do is click the link below the video, go ahead to get started, and use the email address. I prefer using Gmail. Register for free, start earning for free. Check out the website, all different ways you can earn. It's free money, it's easy money, it's so simple to do. You can earn in your sleep, literally, because you can have videos playing in the background of your computer while you're sleeping or doing other things, going to work, hanging with the kids, hanging with your special someone, whatever you're doing. You can be earning money in Bitcoin passively. All right, so go ahead and check out this withdrawal, and we'll show you how easy this is to just get paid from simple tasks. All right.